Hey lovely people, Coupon Crystal here with Frugal Tip Tuesday. Today, my husband is off. I told you guys he was gonna be off all week from his main job. So tonight we were gonna go to Penn Station and I was like, we're not going to Penn Station. I'm gonna make my version of Penn Station subs. Sometimes instead of spending the money for eating out, you need to be frugal and you need to just make what you were gonna buy, eat now. Okay, so what you're gonna do, we're gonna saute in some butter, the mini sweet peppers. This is what, $2.28 at Walmart. I got a couple of white onions in here and we'll get that started. Thing that I use is the Hoagie Rolls Martins. They are so good. It's like 6 in a pack when you buy these. So you can tell this is an item that we use. So they are $3.78 at Walmart and they're soft and they're really good. That's why I like these. We've got the chicken. This is about 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts chopped up pretty good. I'm gonna put my Montreal chicken seasoning by McCormick Grill Mates on it. And I have to put my Lipton beefy onion. This is what takes it to a whole nother level. Now I put the pack in. I didn't put a whole pack. I used out that pack before, but it's fine. And I'm gonna add a little water to it, so it's gonna loosen up this little gravy almost. We're gonna reduce the heat just a tad bit. We don't want to overcook the chicken. We want it to be done so it's tender, but we don't want it to be hard. Okay, so at this point, I put my chicken on here. I didn't put a lot of chicken because I don't eat a lot of chicken. So I put my chicken on there. I put my sauteed stuff on there. And I got my Sargento. This is provolone, about $2.68 at Walmart. Sometimes I'll use the baby Swiss, but I'm put the cheese on top and I'm gonna melt it. And there you go. Okay, so basically what I did, I just melted my cheese. I'm gonna squish it all together and there you go. Good to go. My version, I didn't put any mushrooms on it this time. Usually I do, but it's super good. You guys must try it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Frugal Tip Tuesday. Sometimes you don't need to eat out. Sometimes you need to just save your money, be frugal, and go recreate what you like, okay? All right, let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try this version of Penn Station chicken subs. Bye-bye.